Hey everyone, welcome back to my tutorial. In this tutorial, I am gonna show you how to create this button hover effect using HTML and CSS. Before proceeding further, be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos. So, without any further ado, let's get started. Open your code editor. Create an HTML file. Use the link tag to include our CSS file. In the body, create a div element with class as button. Inside it, create a button element. You can put any text you want. Now, create 4 div elements with class as bg. Our HTML part is ready. Let's write the CSS. Create a CSS file. For the body, set background color to black color. In the root selector, declare a width variable with 300 pixels value. Using this, we can dynamically control the size of the button. For the button class, set width to value of our width variable using var function. Set height to half of the width of the button using calc function. Set position to absolute. Set top and left to 50%. Set transform to translate -50%, -50%. Set overflow to hidden. For the button element, set width and height to 100%. Set color to white. Set text align to center. Set font size to 2.8 rem. Set outline to none. Set border to 2 pixels. Solid. White. Set background to transparent. Set cursor to pointer. For the BG class, set position to absolute. Set bottom to -100%. Set left to 0. Set width to 25%. Set height to 100%. You can set background color as per your liking. Set z-index to -1. Set transition to all 0.4 seconds. For third nth child of BG, set left to 1/4 of button width. Set transition delay to 0.1 seconds. For fourth nth child of BG, set left to half of button width. Set transition delay to 0.2 seconds. For fifth nth child of BG, set left to 3/4 of button width. Set transition delay to 0.3 seconds. On button hover, set BG's bottom to 0%. Here, our effect is ready. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos. So, I will meet you next time.